Hello,
Hey, good morning.
good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm also great.
Nice. Where are you?
I am from India.
Nice. North, south?
I am the western part of the Maharashtra.
Oh, okay, nice. I'm
Where
from
are you
I'm,
from?
I'm from Canada originally, but
Okay,
I live in Cambodia now. So just a little east of you guys. Yeah.
okay,
Nice. Sorry,
okay.
are you on a farm right now?
Yes, I am also farmer.
That's so cool. What do you grow?
I grow in the cotton seeds.
Interesting.
Yes,
Hey, yeah, it just looks really cool. Yeah.
yes. And please tell me about for the the improving English. What do you do for that? For English is the very, for this is the global language, and what should be I do for that English learning as well as so comfortably because that I speak very for well, but for that structure making of these sentences than to front persons. They suggest you.
So, my number one suggestion, obviously, is interact as much as you can with native speakers. So you can kind of see how we make our sentences, obviously. Number two would be read. Reading English can really, really help, especially with your vocabulary and your sentence structures as well. Um, and then YouTube as well. If you don't have time, obviously, you're a busy man.
No,
Um,
just in that working for the farmer, but I teach chemistry subject is also.
you teach chemistry as well.
Yes.
Wild. Um, yeah, I would say your best bet, your best options would be reading English, watching YouTube videos, um, talking to other English speakers. Sorry, I'm typing this out for you. Uh, those are your main three things. Once you get comfortable, I would also suggest like watching TV shows, movies in English, because even if you don't recognize every word that's being said, you'll start noticing patterns. English, like math, like chemistry, it's very pattern based. And so you'll start to pick out like, oh, action, active, affirmation, affirmative. Oh, so ION becomes IVE. You'll start to notice those patterns, and listening and taking in English is very, very helpful. Yeah.
Yes, absolutely right. And for when I spoke the English, so many becomes to first time I am to in the learning that English I am to fumble like, but in the nowadays I am not. This is to happening mostly. Just it's a practices now. And in the my mind, one question is arises that when I am to uh, for sentences making structure of sentences, past, future, it is randomly happen in our mind, but whenever I to speak the this is the grammar, I am to forget it. Just
So English grammar will be a little tricky for you, because I know, like with Tamil Bengali, it's set up a little different than we do in English. So the word order can sometimes be a little difficult. But that's why, like I said, like watching TV and reading, you'll see where it goes like subject, verb, noun, in what order, and you'll start be able to train yourself into
yes,
recognizing that.
it's
Yeah.
it's just a practice, I think.
Yeah. And honestly, it's like a muscle, right? The more you
Okay,
practice, the
thank
easier
you.
it gets.
Okay, this is the small conversation. Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Have